So today I'm working on a quad. Had an issue with the winch where it would only go out and it wouldn't go back in. Here's what I found. So the winch switch, I'd push in, nothing would happen, out, it would go out. So first thing I did was test power to the switch. Because the winch is actually going out and not going in, we know that the whole power system to the winch is actually working okay. So we know that there's power coming from the battery to the solenoid and the solenoid to the winch. So it's either something wrong with the switch itself or it's something wrong with the solenoid. Okay, so I took off the skid plate and then we got these two wires here, green and the black wire. If you disconnect those wires, those two wires have your power that go to the solenoid. So if you disconnect those and measure each one of them to ground and then push the button on the switch, you should get 12 volts in both directions. And I actually got that. I did get 12 volts when I pushed in, and I got 12 volts when I pushed out. So this is the old solenoid. I got a new one off Amazon. It was like $40. Great replacement. It was the exact same, fit perfectly in there, and now she all works. I actually want to take this one apart and find out to see if there's just a problem with the wires in here that connect to the coil that's causing the issue. I've never actually had one of these open before, but that's the top where all the connections are. And then inside here, a little circuit board. So I did a continuity test between that one and here, and I got good continuity. And then I go across to here, still good. And go across to here, and then a little higher ohms. So I do the same test with the other wire, and from here to here, 7.4, here to here, oh, that connection, 9.2, then I go across the little one here, and I got nothing. So something is wrong between here and here on the other side of the circuit board. So I got that pulled apart, and as you can see, those wires go directly to the electromagnetic coil to pull that side. So obviously there's actually a short in the coil. So good thing I replaced the solenoid. So with the new solenoid installed, I push out and push in, and everything works the way it should. So there you go. There's some easy tests to try to diagnose what your issue is with your winch. I hope you found this video helpful. For more videos like this, follow Mark Fixes Bikes.